Hello, this is Brett from SurvivalComms, and this is a quick tech tip on an excellent way to organize coax cable and your wire antennas and even your balanced feed line wire antennas, and that is the Woods 2803 cord caddy, which is nothing more than a Christmas lights winder. These things are around $3. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them at the hardware store, Walmart, or wherever.
Let's put this 40-meter dipole on the winder. First, start at one end of the antenna and grab your winder. Simply drop your insulator on one end and then just start wrapping and walk back towards your feed point, wrapping it like a figure eight. Now that you've wound back to your feed point, take your feed point and fold it up against a winder, and it doesn't matter if it's the same feed point form factor as this or something that uses a balun or whatever. Just place it up against a winder, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take our coax cable and wrap our coax cable around our winder. Now that you've wound your feed line up, just tuck the RF connector through one of the myriad of holes inside the winder, just like that. And now you're going to wind from this end here and just doing a figure eight, run back and forth and back and forth, and it's going to take that other insulator at the other end and bring it towards you. Now that you've wound your element back to your feed point, go ahead and secure your insulator like that, or you can go ahead and tie it through here. It's your choice. But when you deploy this antenna, this element comes off first, then the feed line comes off, and then you merely grab the winder and walk away from the feed point, and it dispenses the other element out on the ground, and you're good to go. If you need to cut them down to make them a little bit shorter, just a simple cable cutter will do the job. Just like that. And you've shortened it up and made it even more compact. I hope this helps. This is Brett from SurvivalComms. Till next time.